Right now, there is a hole in your vision. You just can't see it. In each eye, a patch of the world simply vanishes, completely. You have never noticed it, not once. Close your left eye, stare at a dot, move a pen sideways. At one point, the pen tip disappears. Then it returns like magic. That blind region covers about 5 degrees of your visual field. It sits beside the center of everything you look at, every second. So why does your world look seamless? Your brain is hiding something from you, and doing it perfectly. This is the story of the hole you cannot find. The blind spot is not a flaw. It is a wiring decision. Light enters your eye and hits the retina, a sheet of cells. Millions of nerve fibers carry those signals toward your brain. But all those fibers must exit the eye through a single hole. That exit is the optic disc, where the optic nerve leaves. At that exact spot, there are no light-detecting cells at all. No rods, no cones, a dead zone in the middle of sight. The cable for vision blocks vision itself. In 1668, a French priest and physicist made a strange discovery. Mariotte noticed faces seemed to vanish at a certain angle of gaze. He turned it into a parlor trick for the royal court. But Mariotte's trick raised a deeper question. If a hole exists, why don't we see a black spot? Your eye does not send a black patch, it sends nothing. And the brain does not interpret nothing as darkness. Instead, it guesses what should be there and fills it in. This process is called perceptual filling in. If the gap sits over grass, your brain paints grass. If it sits over a pattern, your brain continues the pattern. It invents detail you never actually received from the world. In the 1990s, a neuroscientist tested the limits of this trick. Ramachandran showed subjects shapes overlapping their blind spots carefully. The brain completed lines, colors, and textures across the gap. It even filled in the center of a donut shape. But how does the brain know what to paint? It borrows information from the area surrounding the missing patch. Neurons near the blind region extend their reach inward. They sample the edges and extrapolate toward the center. Studies suggest filling in happens within a fraction of a second. You are not seeing reality there. You are seeing a prediction. The great physicist called vision a series of unconscious inferences. Your eyes gather scraps. Your brain writes the rest of the story. And there is a second rescue happening too. Your two eyes have blind spots in different locations. What one eye misses, the other eye easily catches. With both eyes open, the gaps cover for each other. Each blind spot can hide roughly 9 full moons of sky. A region that large, erased and rebuilt without you noticing. You think your eyes show you the world. They do not. Vision is not a recording. It is an active hallucination constrained by light. The blind spot is just the place where the fiction shows. So what does this mean for everything else you see? If your brain fills one gap, it can fill others too. The same machinery smooths over blinks, motion, and shadows. You live inside a model. Your brain keeps quietly updating. Most of the time, that model is astonishingly accurate. But it is still a guess, dressed up as certainty. The hole was never in your eye alone. Next time the world looks complete, remember, part of it is invented,